Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'd like to show you how to make I made some cranberry garlic paste, and so we're going to use that, and we're going to make some pasta. So we're going to call it cranberry garlic cheesy pasta. How about that, huh? Okay. So I already boiled the pasta, so we're going to pick it up from there, alright? Thanks. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out the links below, and thank you for 17,000 subscribers. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have some onions here that I processed in the food processor. So let's put some of this in here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go with 4 heaping tablespoons of onions, cut up onions. And I have olive oil in the frying pan, just enough to coat the bottom. I cooked the pasta for 12 minutes and I drained it in this colander. Well, I poured it in the colander and I poured cold water on it and stirred until the starch was out. And then I put more cold water in the pan and let it sit for about 2 minutes. So now the cooking time has stopped. So that's what we have here, okay? Okay, so we're going to be using grated cheese. If you don't have this, you can use grated Parmesan cheese. This is cranberry garlic paste that I made on a previous setting. You can go check that out and you'll know how to make that, okay? We're going to be using some black pepper. Sassoon everything, and of course the pasta. We want to get these onions nice and crispy. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for about another 3 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so now that our onions have been cooking for about 3 minutes, I see a little brown tones on it. So we're ready to now add our other ingredients. Okay, so this is my cranberry garlic paste. I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of that. Now we're going to add our pasta. This is 1/4 of a box of wheat pasta and 1/4 of a box of white pasta. Now we're going to add some oil to that. Just a little. That was about maybe 5 tablespoons full. I'm adding sassoon everything. Black pepper. And the grated cheese. One, two, three heaping tablespoons of grated cheese. Let me get something else with this. You're gonna look for like a purplish tone because that's the cranberry look you want to look for. Okay, I want to taste that. Oh wow. I want a little more of this cranberry paste. That's really good. Oh wow. Look at that color, guys. See? Oh, I might call this cranberry pasta. Wow. Who'd have known? Okay, I'm going to add just a drop of salt. And how about that? That was that quick. Let me plate this for you and give you the word of the day, okay? 1 second. Okay guys, this is the cranberry paste that I also made on the previous video. Just put in cranberry paste. And we're going to put some of this right down the middle. Right there in the center. How about that? Let me show you that. So we cooked it with the cranberry garlic paste and we topped it with the cranberry paste. How about that, huh? Oh, bring that to your table. Okay, let me taste that for you. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. Dishes. Dishes. Why is it that people find it so hard to do the dishes? Maybe because you're confined to that one spot. Maybe because it seems like the job is never going to end. Maybe because you got to do it over and over and over and over every day. Dishes. Sounds like life? It is. So calm down, get to it, do the dishes. Dishes is the word of the day. Okay. So now here's our calling cranberry pasta. Cranberry cheesy pasta. Let's take a taste. Okay? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. Now that's a different twist on pasta that you have got to try. I love it. I love it. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Talk to you. Bye-bye.